sky turns gray, the clouds drift by. What should we do? The children sigh. The raindrops tap upon the roof. Inside the tree house, safe and proof. Ash wants to draw a sunny day. Shrey wants to read and tuck away. Let's build a tower, Ash to say. Let's build a tower, Ash to say. But Shrey wants blocks in a different way. They shake their heads, they cannot choose. With indoor games, they're sure to lose. Then Shrey cries out, a paper boat, and Ash agrees to see it float. Let's build paper boats, hip hip hooray! Folding paper, we love to play. One for Shrey and one for me. Two small boats are all we need. Fold the paper nice and square. We'll make a pair with special care. Look at that, it's done so fast. A little boat that's made to last. We're so happy, jumping high, ready for the stream nearby. We're so happy, jumping high, ready for the stream nearby. I'll go first, Shrey says with pride. Shrey says with pride, watch my blue take a ride. Ax joins in, her boat floats free, sailing past the rocks and tree. Don't worry, friend, they gently say, a safe ride home to start the day. Boats and friends, a happy scene, in the garden lush and green.
Thank you for playing with us. We had so much fun building the paper boats. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We will meet you again in our next video. And hit the bell icon so you can get updates on all our new adventures and learning games. See you soon!